Hello, good morning. 7:25 early in the morning here in Philippines. I'm here with the clinic, their municipal clinic right there. I'm gonna need something, so I was here yesterday, but there's no doctor yesterday, so I have to come back today. Yeah, still with my motorcycle, of course. So yeah, here I wake up early. I don't know if it's the body clock or it's the age. But yeah, I would like to shout out to my new followers here on YouTube, and thank you so much for your support. I'll be better someday, especially with the editing and everything. So yeah, I just have guava leaves as my tea, and one slice of bread and scrambled egg today. So I actually have this that sticker. I know if you're from America, you know what that is. And people are lining in here early in the morning. Because sometimes if it reads like number something, we're gonna like stop receiving. Well, anyway, good morning here in the Philippines, Batangas, and whenever you are, have a great day, and thank you so much. God bless everyone. This is Marmonte streaming live from the Philippines. Thank you so much. Bye bye.